everyone, I am Anwita Kalyani from grade 9. Now I am going to tell you some interesting facts about triangle, that is magic triangle. Here I am using 4 congruent triangles and place it here to get the higher triangle. Each congruent triangle has 3 angles of different color, that is yellow, blue and black. Each angle in each triangle are equal to each other. We all know that the sum of interior angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. We can know more about that through this model. Here, if you observe carefully, we have 3 angles of different color and together form a 180 degree. If you observe that carefully, these are the 3 angles which are present in one congruent triangle. Henceforth, we can conclude that the sum of interior angles of a triangle will be always equal to 180 degrees. Through this model, we not only get to know about the triangle, properties of triangle, but also of the parallelogram. Here, I am using 2 congruent triangles and placing here to get a parallelogram. The first property of the parallelogram states that the opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel to each other. If we have to say 2 lines are parallel to each other, we will go with the concept of alternate angles. Here, the angles represented by yellow color and the angles represented by blue color are alternate to each other. Therefore, we can conclude that the sides of parallelogram are parallel to each other. And second property states that the opposite angles of parallelogram are equal to each other. Here, the angles represented by black color are opposite to each other and equal to each other. And the combination of yellow and blue angles are equal to each other. Third property is that the diagonal of the parallelogram divides the parallelogram into 2 congruent triangles. As you can see, these triangles are congruent to each other. The last property of parallelogram is that the sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram will be always equal to 180 degrees. We have proved earlier that the sum of these 3 angles will be always equal to 180 degree. Again, these are the 3 angles which are present as the adjacent angles in parallelogram. And we will also get to know about midpoint theorem. The midpoint theorem states that the line adjoining the midpoints of any 2 sides will be always parallel to third side and is half of third side. Here, if we consider this line as transversal, these 2 are alternate to each other, the angles represented by red color, henceforth these are alternate to each other, so we can conclude that the line adjoining midpoint of 2 sides will be always parallel to third side. And this is the line that is joining the midpoint of the 2 sides. If I place on the third side, it will be half of third side. So I hope that you understood about the concept of magic triangle. Thank you.